The Governor-General of Canada, David Johnston, was in Oakville yesterday to discuss the Syrian refugee crisis, an issue that he dubbed at Rideau Hall recently as a defining moment for Canada.
What do I mean by that? Well, I mean that it's a moment to reflect upon our fundamental values as Canadians, to test the depth of our commitment to diversity, inclusiveness, and tolerance, and to demonstrate our willingness and our ability to help people in desperate need.
The Governor-General has been urging communities to establish a collaborative effort to support the resettlement of the 25,000 Syrian refugees coming to Canada. And last night, he congratulated the Oakville Community Foundation on their resettlement fund.
It's so important that we share our best thinking and work together. That's so Canadian. This, of course, isn't the first time you've gathered to discuss refugee resettlement. And what you've achieved here with the Oakville Resettlement Fund, which is one of many across the country, is so impressive. So bravo to everyone involved.
The fund came about as a result of a meeting on December 3rd at Town Hall, attended by over 60 representatives of business, education, government, health, charity, and faith groups.
It's actually a community fund of the Oakville Community Foundation. And last September, one of our fund holders came to us and said, "What are you doing about the Syrian refugee crisis?" And then we found out that our local town and regional councillor, Jeff Knoll, was hosting an event with Lifeline Syria, and I think Lean El Rabik is here from Lifeline Syria. They hosted an event to tell people about private sponsorship, and there was a packed house at our town hall. So we recognized this would be a great opportunity to partner, because we know in Oakville that the average amount for a household to live happily is at least $40,000, and what the private sponsorships were identifying that was required was close to 30. So we knew there was going to be gaps in our community, and we figured that this resettlement fund could help local charities meet those needs.
The meeting also addressed some of the challenges to the resettlement, including housing, employment services, access to translators, cultural sensitivity, transportation, and halal foods. And Governor-General Johnston believes that these discussions build upon the idea of this being a defining moment for Canada by also creating an opportunity.
While these funds are being created as a response to the needs of Syrian refugees, they can also be used for future resettlement challenges and to strengthen inclusiveness overall. So, this is a great example of what I mean when I say we have an opportunity to build our communities for the future.
The Governor-General's full speech will be aired on TV Cogeco at a future date. For details, visit local listings at tvcogeco.com. For more information or to donate to the Oakville Community Foundation's Resettlement Fund, visit theocf.org. For Halton Insider, I'm James Spalding.